Today we're going to look at installing Zoiper on your Windows computer. Go to the Zoiper website, download the phone and download the free version. After some time you'll see it's downloaded, so we can open it. Installation is the same as for any Windows program. Just click Next, accept the license agreement, Next again, and finish. We need to allow the connection through the firewall, and now we can launch it. Continue as a free user. Now we're going to register the phone to Dialer AI. So look at Call Center and Agents, select the login name, copy it, go back to Zoiper and paste the login name in. Now copy the password, paste that in, and now we need the host name or IP address of your system. Paste that in and click Next. No need to do anything else other than save, and almost immediately we see that we have a SIP TCP connection. Click Next. Now we're going to check speakers and microphone. You should hear noise from your speakers now. Click Yes, and then test the microphone. Make sure it's switched on and you should see the indicator move. If it does, click Yes. No camera is necessary, so that can be skipped, and finish. Your system is now registered to Dialer AI. We now want to run some tests. 0002 just plays a tone. If this is a nice steady tone with no dropouts, you have good broadband connection. Next we're going to run an echo test. That confirms that your microphone and speaker are working. Now we're going to make the agent available so that they can receive calls in a queue. Dial 1001 to say that you're on duty and ready to receive calls. You'll hear a prompt when you phone in. When you've heard the prompt, you can hang up. If you refresh the page, you'll now see in the status update that the agent is registered and is available to take calls. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions.